Published 0114 EDT, the 3rd of September 2017. Updated 0158 EDT, the 3rd of September 2017. Justin Bieber has announced he will be donating $25,000 to the Red Cross to help victims of Hurricane Harvey. The pop star, 23, took to Instagram on Saturday to share a video of himself visibly shaken after looking at photos of the storm's destruction. "Just looking at these photos here from Hurricane Harvey, I just want to say that, man, I am sorry to all the families that have lost their homes. People have lost their lives," he said in the video. "You guys are strong." Justin Bieber has announced he will be donating $25,000 to the Red Cross to help victims of Hurricane Harvey. "I'm going to accept the Kevin Hart challenge and give $25,000 towards the Red Cross. I love you guys in Houston. You guys are awesome. You guys are strong. So sorry this is happening." Actor and comedian Kevin Hart recently issued a challenge to some of his fellow celebrities to donate relief money, posting a video to his Instagram. Justin is just the latest in a growing list of celebrities who have contributed monetarily towards helping those impacted by the hurricane. "Helping out. I'm going to accept the Kevin Hart challenge and give $25,000 towards the Red Cross impacted." Bieber looked emotional after looking at photos of the hurricane's destruction. The Kardashians, Pink, Taylor Swift, Leonardo DiCaprio, Miley Cyrus, and Sandra Bullock are among those to have donated to assist victims. Ellen DeGeneres also joined forces with Houston Texans defensive end J.J. Watt, who started a fundraising campaign to help victims of Harvey. Watt taped a segment for her chat show to air Thursday in which he talked about his plan to use donations to bring water, clothing, generators, and cleaning supplies directly to the people in need. Ellen also revealed that retail giant Walmart is pledging to give $1 million to Watt's relief efforts. Destruction. The hurricane flooded downtown Houston, Texas, devastating. A man stood outside a home in Port Arthur, Texas, on Wednesday as more than 30,000 people evacuated to shelters as floods continue to envelop Houston and its surrounds.